Starting it up.
Okay. So what are we gonna open? Let's open the family presents.
Okay. What's that? Anybody guess what that
What
is?
do y'all think this is?
A ball.
Oh,
Whoa, what gave it away?
here.
Let me see what it is.
Pull the paper off of it.
A ball.
What? However did we guess that?
A red one.
Oh, wow. Wow. Let Abigail hold it.
Whoa.
Wait.
Let everybody get to see it. Okay, well, it's Faith or Abigail's turn.
Well, actually, I think those are Ariana's presents.
Okay, so what's next?
We can open that. I forgot what I put in there. Who wants
Here,
to open that
let's open
one?
this one then. Okay, now Abigail help too. We'll let you open one too next. Here, open this one. Here, grab it. Pull it. Get it. Pull that red stuff off. It's
Let
okay.
Abigail help.
Let Abigail help too. Here, look. Help. You see what's in there?
Yeah, what's in there?
See what's in there?
What's in there?
New sushi and fresh lobster.
Open it, Abigail.
Yes.
She got it. She knows what she's
Is it
doing.
a bag of cereal?
No, it's not a bag of cereal. What is that?
No, it's a bag of cereal.
Sit down.
Ah, the dog is a bag of cereal.
Oh, that's the pet stuff.
Oh, it's Sugar's rope toy.
Sugar got a rope toy.
Ooh, I like that.
Wow.
And look, Mr.
Towel got a cat
Towel
toy.
got a cat toy.
Oh, it's a cat treat.
Ooh.
That's it.
You can put those in here, I guess, for right now. Get them out of the way. Oh, Sugar's coming. He's getting Sugar. Where's Sugar at?
Where's Sugar? Let's get her on the camera too.
Mr. Towel's right there. Look at him.
Mr. Towel's got it. Mr. Towel, what are you doing up there?
Hey, come on, let's go.
You looking for? He must have knew he got a present.
Sugar, look.
Sugar, what are you doing, Sugar? Ooh.
Come on, open this part up so I can.
No, we gotta get scissors for that.
Yeah, we're gonna play with it in a little bit, okay? Oh, look, she already knows. She knows that's a dog toy. Woo, she's happy.
Where to sit?
Sit.
Look at Mr. Towel coming too.
Come on, Daddy, cut this. She wants it too much.
Wow. We're gonna play with it. We're gonna play with it later for her,
Let's
okay?
put it in the laundry basket. Let's give Mr. Towel one of his treats.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Oh, look at this treat. Sugar really is happy.
Look, he's right here.
Treat. Can I give her one?
No, this is for the cat.
I want to
Here.
get one.
You gotta put it on the floor and let him eat it.
Come here.
Can I give him one?
Call him over here so we can see him.
Mr. Towel. Mr. Towel.
He's scared.
All right, come over here. Back
Get
away.
back in your seat, sweetie pie. He's kind of scared of you.
Mr. Towel. Mr. Towel. Come on.
He's nervous.
Come on. Come on.
Crinkle the bag. Pour a couple on the floor for him.
Here, put.
He'll probably come.
Pour a couple right there first.
Oh, get Sugar out of here.
No, sure. No. You're not stealing cats. There's
Oh,
some
my
more
goodness.
Cheetos in
He
there.
can't even see it.
There's some more
Okay, go sit
Oh, look,
down.
he did. He
Go sit
found
down.
it.
What's the rest
Okay, well, then go
of
put it in the fridge. Did he find it?
Yeah, you got him.
Okay, I figured he would. Out, Sugar.
Come on, let's open all the rest.
We will.
All right.